guys, and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Alright, this afternoon I just want to share a strategy with you guys, especially those of you who are using the mobile phone. But please always know that when you're using a mobile phone to trade, you are always scalping the market, and you shouldn't hold trade for too long if you don't have this technical analysis, if you don't have the understanding of technical analysis, so that you don't end up losing your trades, your account, or probably your equity with others. So please make sure you follow instructions. Now, today's strategy is just based on few indicators, but before I show you the settings, let me tell you how you use it to take both buy and then sell order. Now, when you check the main chart, we only have this black line. We only have this black line here. So we are using that one to identify breakout. That means if trend is probably on the high, brief trend is making up move, just like what we have initially. Price was going up, all of a sudden we can see that we started noticing price is going to take down direction. So how do we leverage on it? Now we don't use only 15, we are using 15-minute time frame for entry, 5-minute or 15-minute time frame for entry. So our main trend is the H1. So if we should go to H1 now, what I want you to notice, please pay attention. What I want to notice is that when you notice the H1, you notice that price, the lines, the green line and the black line are around the level 90-95 zone. I'm going to explain the window 1 to you. So when you have this when you have these lines here, most especially the black line in the window 1 touching level 90 and level 95, then your green line probably crossed it in your 15-minute time frame. That is when you take your entry. But make sure that before your before this line cross, okay, I was just sorry, I was making a call only for me to come back. I noticed price has hit my take profit. Okay, let me explain. Let me proceed with the explanation. Now, how does this strategy work? Like I said earlier on, I said we are going to be using 15-minute time frame for entry, 5-minute or 15-minute time frame for entry. Now, the first thing first, we want to see price breaking out of this moving average. All right, then not only that, we want in our window 1, immediately price breaks out like this. In our window 1, what we want to see this green line crossing below the black line at level 90-95. Immediately it crosses below -20. I'm going to give you the setup, guys. Immediately it crosses below 90, level 20, you can enter. But for a sniper entry, you can use your 5-minute time frame. But that is not all. Before you take such entry, you want to check the condition in 1 hour time frame. And what do you want to see in 1 hour time frame? We want to see the black line around level 90. Exactly. The black and the green line should be around that point, because the probability will be much higher that price is going to go towards our favor. Exactly, guys. So that is how we use the strategy on any pair. You can use it on any currency pair, on any synthetic pair, any currency pair, any synthetic pair. So that was what happened right away here just now. So I only used it to scalp because I was expecting maybe price will react at this zone. That area was a kind of resistance before, so I don't want to hold the trade too long. That was why I put my TP around there. So I'm expecting price to react around that point. If price reacts around that point, probably make a pullback, then I'll open another sell, then hold it up to where you see me put this line, because this area was the one that brought the breakout of price above this point. This area I marked now was what led to the break of this place. You see, price broke above that point, so that zone is going to also act as order block. But in a nutshell, if you don't understand up to that level that I'm explaining, first thing first, when these conditions are met, this condition 1, let me take it again. Condition 1, price should close below it. Then condition 2 is that we want to see the green line crossing below the red line at level 95, level 90. The red line, which is level 20, is a total breakout. Then level 50 can be area of TP, meaning price may not react to at this point now. If price doesn't react, this is where price is going to react. So which is going to act as level 50 with what I'm seeing now. But if you are trading it and you don't understand it, you don't understand those zones, immediately price breakout, you can hold it. Once you meet your daily target, you definitely close it. The one that closed now, I'm going to show you the outcome of how much it is. You can see the distance very, very small. You can see the distance from here to here. You can see. I will show you how many dollar it is. So this applies to all pair. Then in the scenario of buy position, I will always want you to also check what the time frame is doing in 1 hour. The first condition again should be price. This line should cross above the green line, should cross above the black line. Is that clear? And make sure that the black line is sitting on level 10. Is sitting on level 10. So when it crosses, then you'll be expecting price to close above. This is your line here. This is your black line. Immediately price cross above. When you take your entry, put your stop loss. Now, synthetic indices are very volatile, so don't go and open too many trades, so that if probably is making a pullback, it doesn't take off it doesn't push you out of trade. Synthetic indices, if you're going to be using on synthetic indices, the boom and crash volatilities, make sure you don't open too many trades, because price may decide to make pullback so that you don't get affected. So you open for buy, then you hold. You see, if you had open and put your stop loss, you put your stop loss around this zone. No, it should be here. You see, you'll have hold this trade all the way up. So that is that on that. Then before I show you the settings, you can see it. Lately it cross. But always make sure now, if I come back here to level, you notice that if I move the chart, this line is not moving. Make sure you also have that same experience. You notice that it's not moving. Do you see it? It's where it is. So before you take your trade, make sure it's like that. Is that clear, guys? Make sure it's like that. Make sure it's like that, and please backtest this on your mobile phone before going live with it. And if you are looking for a consistent strategy that is going to make you good earning on a daily basis, don't hesitate to chat me up, and watch out for the Millionaire Strategy on my channel, where we have softwares you can use to trade the synthetic indices with high level of accuracy. This mobile strategy sometimes might lag and it might affect your trade. So that is why we say you should always scalp when the opportunity is there. So this is you can see volatility 50, just $21. Just $21. So that is it. So please always make sure you follow instruction. Please follow instruction, guys. Exactly. Follow instruction so that you don't mess up your account. Then get the main the main thing you need is being patient and practice it. Whichever strategy you're using, even those of you who subscribe for the millionaire strategy, that one is a consistent earning money. Now, I took that trade. I took this volatility 75 because what the strategy here is giving and what my setup is giving on the system is accurate, is similar. So that is why I give you. But I'm not telling you that this mobile is guaranteed. That is going to be like that all the time, so that you don't go and misquote me. Because some of you take all these things so personal. For you to master that of the mobile, you need to practice consistently. But that of the system, I will tell you all the conditions you need to see. You don't even once you meet the conditions, your trade is certain that's going to always, at least out of 100%, 80 to 95% is going to always fall on profit. And again, you already the chart is usually very clear and you can see everything. Here now, you have to be making some kind of research, and it is not every time it's going to be that guaranteed. So always cap when you have the mobile strategies conditions in place. Is that clear, guys? But if you want something very solid and consistent for Forex, for crypto, and for synthetic indices, then get the millionaire strategy. You can use it on a mobile phone, but you only subscribe for a VPS that is going to allow you to install those software. Then you have a laptop interface. So that is all. The settings, so that before I don't forget like what happened last time. So to add these indicators on your chart, you have to click on this icon here. When you click on this icon in your main chart, when you click on this icon, it's going to take you. Your main chart will have the Bollinger Band. It has a period of 21. The deviation should be 0.00. Shift should be 1. You can use any color of your choice. Then you click save. Then to add this window 1, you come here, click on this icon here, scroll down to, it's going to take you to the window indicator home. So you look for Williams indicator, Williams range indicator. This is it here. You click on it. You click on it. Here's the settings. It has a period of 90. Here are the level, -15, -20. So let me put an inscription to it. Here should be sell time or sell entry. Here should be first TP. Your 70 ought to be buy, but it's going to delay you. So use the level 10 to buy, but you can leave that level 70 there, or you can take it off. Is that clear? Your level 70 is supposed to be buy, but leave it that way. Let's put 80 if it's going to pop up. So you should buy around 80. But if it doesn't pop up, no problem. Then when you add the next one you're going to add is the relative strength index. So the relative strength index is going to have a period of 1. Now the levels is the next thing, 95, 90. So this is where we are expecting to see the green line, which is the Williams line, to cross below this 90 rather. Then you take your entry and make sure when it's crossing this 90, your black line is already around the axis. It has crossed below your black line, which is in the moving average 50. I'm going to show you. So you should cross below it before you take your entry. Then for the sake of buy, this is the level 10 you are going to be using. Level 10 and level 20 for buy. So let me put buy entry here. Buy entry. Buy entry. So then the next one is a moving average. Period of 50 exponential. Then black. You can use any other color of your choice. It doesn't matter. Then click on save. So when you are done, this is how your chart is going to look like. So the William is the green line crossing above your 50 moving average. Is that clear? Crossing below rather, not above. So use your level 10 and level 20 as your breakout to buy. So I think that is all. Then please don't forget, if you need the millionaire strategy, then make sure you message me. Now, okay, message me on the WhatsApp chat. Then for crash, let's even check crash index. I think there was a trade I took with it earlier. Is it crash? Now in this you can see now that we have breakout. So these are areas you can take your buy. Make sure it's not moving. You can see it. When it crossed, it came to do a form of retest. Your stop loss will be around this axis. That's why I say you should do open many trade. Your stop loss will be a bit below. Then you hold buy. You place a buy order and ride it. But before then, you go and check your H1. Where is price in your H1? You don't just open buy so that you don't go and mess up things. Okay, you can see that price is still dropping. They have not meet in that level we want them. Price is still there. So the moving average, the volume, momentum, the Williams line has not touched level 20. So it is still more of downtrend. Though our moving average has touched, but it is still more of downtrend until our Williams is there before we make any move. So as it is now, it is very, very risky, except we check H4 and see if price is at a buy zone. No, okay, there's high probability price will go up, but it won't go much far. Let's assume if we are to place now, price has broken structure, is coming to in form of retest. So let's go to our 15-minute and see where that line is exactly. So that is where price is going. So anyway, just make sure you follow instructions and then apply it as stated. Shares and see you in the next one, guys.